The dataset first. The dataset has two columns. Month, the column has the year and the month. The passenger, this column specifies the number of passengers that flew in that month. The dataset is read and passed to the SARIMAX node. This is the node where the model gets trained. One needs to specify the endog column, which is basically your target, and other fields which can be played around with to get a model of optimal choice. One can specify the seasonal order trend and other hyperparameters to the SARIMAX model as well. Finally, we make use of the SARIMAX forecast model to compute predictions. Here we are computing predictions for the next 40 months. These predictions can either be saved to disk or they can be viewed in the execution results page. Let's look at the execution results page. So the execution results shows the summary of the model which was trained along with the predictions here. One can even look at the details of the model in the model repo, like the model summary, the model features, the train metrics, and so on. Thank you.